Stop what you're doing. Here is another world-famous prank call from Darren Whackhead Simpson.
Nice.
Exclusive to KFM Mornings.
All right, if you drive an older car, you could be in for a great surprise with Outsurance Essential. You could pay less for your car insurance than ever before. To qualify for Essential cover, your car needs to be older than 5 years, not financed, and worth less than 125,000 bucks. You can SMS car to 48829 right now. Outsurance is a licensed insurer and FSB. T's and C's do apply. Okay, you've had the teaser. You know what's coming with this prank today.
Do we, though? Do we know what's coming?
I got to say, this is an absolute bleep record for me. Bleep record.
And you've had a lot of bleepy pranks.
I've had people that have been worked up, all right? But now, you must know what it's like to be... So I get this email yesterday when we were talking about Prime from Roshana. And she said, call this guy. He's going to blow a fuse. Because he's been scammed by Prime. He scammed me the detail, right?
And is it Roshana's husband, or what's their relationship?
No, she just knows him. And then, so literally he bought off like these classified sites, everybody on social media advertising, I got Prime, man, I got Prime. And it never came. He paid and it never came.
Sure.
That's terrible.
All right, so I just want to settle you down a little bit. I'm going to play you the ending before I play you the beginning. Okay. All right. So this is how it ended, the prank at the reveal. It's Whackhead Simpson, bro. Bro.
Whackhead Simpson. Was it live?
No.
Was it live?
No.
Okay. Yeah, because there was a lot of sweating involved there. That's why I'm asking.
Okay, so that's how it ended.
So there was a happy ending.
Yes, there's always a happy ending.
So this will then kind of soften the experience for all of us a little bit. Like, this is a cool guy. He's a sweet dude.
He's a cool guy. He's been scammed.
Yes.
He's worked up. You know what? He wants to find this guy.
Yeah.
You know?
He's at his wits' end, basically, already.
You
And then
scam me, I'm going to be the same with you, bro.
Yeah, you come.
Yeah.
Aye.
All right, you ready?
Let's go.
Put the seatbelt on.
Oh, my word.
Because this is like a Bugatti. You go from 0 to 200
Okay.
in like 3 seconds. Are you ready?
Hello?
Hey, man. I got some Prime. You looking?
Sorry?
I've got some Prime. You want some?
It's Prime.
Prime. You know?
What is it?
Sorry?
What is it?
The drink. I've got Prime, man.
No.
You know Logan Paul? KSR. Hey, bro. I got the Prime, man. I promise you need it.
I took the Prime up your ass.
Sorry?
6 slugs.
I've got
You, man.
Prime, man.
Hello?
Hey, buddy. I promise you. Final offer.
Yeah. I drank your Prime when I your sister yesterday, so you.
You.
Hey, buddy.
Hello?
My sister isn't a flavor of Prime, man. But I can cut a deal with you.
Got a deal.
I got the best Prime, man. I got the latest stock. I've got all the flavors.
Flavors, eh?
I promise you, man. I promise you, I got the best flavors.
Listen here, you stupid. Stop phoning me, are you?
Bro,
Huh?
listen.
Are you me? Hey, yo, man. Man, take your Prime and drink. Jam out, feel you.
Bro,
You, don't phone me again. Hey, you, don't phone me. Don't phone me again, your master. So you're in.
just listen to
You're
me.
taking me.
I've got-
Listen here, yo. Your ma's your pa's your oma's
Bro, I've got prom, man. You want it?
Huh? Are you for me with time? Hey, yo,
Bro,
hey, you,
bro,
you.
they told me you're
Yeah,
looking
tell
for
them I
prom.
said-
They said you're looking
Tell
for...
them I said they master man. Tell them I said they master.
I got the
Tell
best...
them I said they master. Yeah, tell yourself that also, man.
I got the best deal for you, bro. I got the best deal.
Druk it up your nut, man.
I've got
Druk it up your
six bottles for 3,000
Yeah.
rand. 3,000 rand,
Yeah,
six
now-
bottles.
Now, you know what to do with it? You know what to do with the 6 bottles? Push up your ass.
I promise
Push
you,
it up
bro.
your ass.
Bro, listen to me.
Yeah, I promise you. You're gonna feel good. I promise you're gonna feel good after this. Put the 6 bottles up your ass.
Bro, I promise you. I got the best flavors. I got the best flavors of prom, man.
Listen, you spin.
Bro,
I'll give a Bruce that. Listen to me nicely. Listen to me nicely. Don't say a word. You carry on this. I'll get you. You hear me?
bro,
Do you hear me?
I've got all the
Don't
flavors.
with me. Don't with me. My brother's a cop. I will get your number. I'll bring my bruiser. They will know. So don't with me.
Bro.
Don't phone me again.
I've got all
Don't
the
phone me
flavors.
again. No bastard.
I got
Hey,
all
listen
the...
here.
I got...
Listen here. Listen here.
Yeah.
Listen here.
Yeah.
Bring your mother and your sister now both. Then you can tell me prime. You.
I got the best prom for you, man.
No, man, stop calling this man.
Listen here. Listen, you can phone me again. You're gonna phone me again.
Yeah.
You're gonna get.
No,
Do you hear me?
just trust me.
Again, if you phone me again, you're gonna get. Do you hear me?
Just trust me. I was told
If you
you...
listen to me, listen to me, listen to me. You phone me again, you're gonna get.
I was told you were looking for prom. Are you the guy looking for prom?
Yeah. Whoever told you that? Whoever told you that? Tell them I said master. Okay.
It was...
You
It was...
listen here.
Yes.
Listen here.
Yes.
Listen to me nicely.
I'm listening.
Listen to me nicely. I'm
I
not
got
gonna tell you again.
6 bottles
Stop
of
phoning me.
prom.
I'm not looking for prime. I'm not looking for prime. I'm looking for nothing. Okay.
Why
I'm
not?
looking for nothing.
Why not? I got the
Listen
deal.
here.
I got the
don't
best
hear
deal.
nothing.
I got the best deal.
You take your deal and drink up your.
I promise you. Listen to me. Listen.
You.
No, listen to me. Listen to me. Me, so yeah.
Easy.
Me, so it's Whackhead Simpson, bro. Bro.
Make it simple. Huh? Make it simple. Was it live?
No,
Was it live?
no.
Okay. Yeah, because there was a lot of sweating involved there. That's why I'm asking.
No, but I'll put all the bleeps on. And you can hear yourself tomorrow morning, bro.
What time tomorrow morning?
10 past 8.
10 past 8.
Yeah. Yeah, bro. You went from 0 to 250 like that.
And back to the giggling.
It's been a tough day, bro. It's been a tough day.
Yeah.
Take it easy, bud. Cheers.
All right. Okay.
Ciao.
Cheers.
Bye.
The nerve! You telling the man to take it easy.
Take it, lower your blood pressure, my man. Take it easy.
Imagine! Whackhead
it
telling you, take it easy.
I think
Take
that's
it
the definition of gaslight.
We found the definition.
Take it easy. Relax.
Hey, listen, if you want anybody pranked, you need to come to me. All right, pop me an email. Darren S at kfm.co.za.